Hi everyone, welcome back to the Evolution of Productivity, where we explore self-development, personal growth, and ways to improve your life. In today's video, we're going to tackle a crucial aspect of personal growth, financial literacy. Financial success isn't just about making money, it's about managing it effectively and using it as a tool for personal development. In this video, I'll share practical tips on how to control your money, increase your income, invest wisely, and develop healthy financial habits. Let's get started. Financial control is the foundation of financial literacy. If you don't know where your money is going, it's hard to make progress. The goal is to shift from reacting to your finances to proactively managing them. Let's break it down into three main steps. Budgeting. The first step to controlling money is creating a budget. This doesn't have to be restrictive. In fact, a budget gives you freedom by allowing you to spend mindfully. Start by listing your income and expenses: rent, groceries, bills, savings, etc. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guide. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt repayment. Track your spending. One of the most common pitfalls is not knowing where your money goes. I recommend using apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track your daily expenses. Over time, you'll notice patterns and areas where you can cut back. The emergency fund. It's important to have an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net, giving you peace of mind and the ability to make better financial decisions. Personal growth starts when financial stress isn't a constant concern. Now that you've gained control of your money, let's talk about increasing your income. The more you earn, the more you can invest in yourself and your future. Here are some strategies to grow your income. Upskilling and career growth. Investing in your skills and knowledge is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential. Whether it's learning new software, getting a certification, or mastering public speaking, improving your professional skills makes you more valuable in the job market. Continuous learning aligns with personal growth and leads to better financial opportunities. Side hustles. In today's economy, having multiple income streams is becoming more common. If you have a passion or talent like writing, graphic design, or teaching, consider turning it into a side hustle. Platforms like Upwork or Etsy can help you monetize your skills. Passive income. Explore ways to generate passive income. This could be through dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or creating a digital product. While building passive income takes time and effort upfront, it can provide long-term financial security and freedom. Networking and mentorship. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Sometimes, the right connections can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or partnerships. Surround yourself with mentors or people who have achieved the financial goals you're working toward. Once you've established a solid financial foundation, the next step in your financial literacy journey is investing. Investing is a way to make your money work for you. Let's go over the basics. Understand the stock market. Investing in stocks is one of the most common ways to grow wealth. You don't have to be a financial expert to start investing. Apps like Robinhood or Vanguard make it easy for beginners. However, make sure you educate yourself first. Start with low-risk index funds, which track the overall stock market, providing steady growth over time. Diversify your investments. A key principle in investing is diversification. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it out across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one investment underperforms, you're not risking all your wealth. Real estate investments. Real estate is another powerful wealth-building tool. You don't have to buy a house to get started. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a way to invest in real estate without owning property directly. Long-term mindset. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about long-term growth. Commit to regular contributions, avoid panic selling during market drops, and give your investments time to grow. Developing healthy financial habits is key to long-term financial success. Your habits can either move you closer to financial independence or hold you back. Here's how to build good habits that support your financial growth. Automate savings. One of the best habits is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment portfolio every month. This way, you're consistently saving without thinking about it. Mindful spending. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself, do I really need this, or will this purchase improve my life in a meaningful way? This habit helps curb impulse purchases and aligns your spending with your values. Regular financial check-ins. Just like your physical health, your financial health needs regular checkups. Review your budget, savings, and investment performance at least once a month. This keeps you accountable and helps you adjust your financial plan when needed. Debt management. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off. Focus on high-interest debt first, like credit cards. Use the snowball or avalanche method, either paying off smaller debts first to build momentum or tackling the highest interest rate debts for maximum savings. Financial literacy is a powerful tool for self-development. When you take control of your finances, you take control of your future. By implementing these strategies, managing your money, increasing your income, learning to invest, and building healthy financial habits, you'll set yourself on the path to financial freedom and personal growth. Thank you for watching The Evolution of Productivity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's looking to improve their financial literacy. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to take control of your finances. See you next time.